gonna show you a game that I discovered. This is what our parents used to play when there was no technology. No gadgets, no program. Is this to play the game, you need seashells. So you put 7 seashells in one pool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In order to play the game, you need 2 players. So I'm gonna play with Daphne. Hi.
So this is my home base, and this is Denise's home base. The goal of the game is to get as much as shell as possible.
This is one of the fun parts of the game. If you stop at opponent's front, you get to eat the shell that you press into your home base. So now you have a lot of shells. It's almost the end of
The game, and we're very closely matched. You stop with this. When you stop and there's nothing on the opposite side, you get nothing.
All of the game is to get the most seashells on your home base.
So we just finished our game. We look evenly matched. So this is mine.
And that's
So now we're gonna count the shells. You guys, while we're counting, you guys comment down below who won.
finish counting. And did you guess in the comments down below who won? It's me, because of this one lucky shell. I won by 1 point only. Daphne got 48 shells and I got 50 shells.
Hope you like our video because we enjoyed this. So subscribe.
brand new video. This is a chocolate.